So for the class test, I'm repeating. Google Forms link will be sent to you. Okay, time limit will be there. It means you have to join or accept the invitation. Just open the link, fill the form, give answers, and then submit. That's all. As soon as you will submit, you will get the result. Got it? And after 20 or 25 minutes, I will close the link. Got it? It means if you receive your link at 5 o'clock, so 5:20 or 5:25, I'll close that link. Then you won't be able to attempt any question or answer. Got it? Is it clear? So be very active. MCQs, type is MCQ. So I think very simple. 5 minutes से भी कम में हो जाता है, ठीक है? Is it clear? Write your roll number, name properly in that Google form. Read the questions carefully and then what? Huh? Everything in MCQs. Okay? Is it clear? Huh? Questions? MCQs? 10. So let's revise for today's test. First question. No, Yashika, then I think that is for 10 MCQs, 1 hour is so much. 1 hour, 6 बजे अगर बंद करूंगी तो I think it's too much, ना? नहीं, only 10. नहीं, वो no, Yashika, I cannot send at 5:30. Okay, then. Acha, now, first question for you. Where was the junk shop situated? Junk shop situated. Tanushka, nothing. I was just discussing about Google Forms test, today's test. Yes, correct, Avni. Only Avni has given the answer. What about you? Still only Avni has given the answer. No need to open your books, notebooks. Where was the junk shop situated? Which junk shop? What was there in the junk shop? Roll top. So where was that shop? Okay, that's why I think Avni, you have given the answer. Now next is explain the condition of roll top desk. Explain the condition. What was the condition when the narrator got that? Yes, Pulkit.
The narrator was roaming there and report in the Christmas night. In a junkyard, he saw but he liked the expensive table, but he think that if I will spend all the money on the table, will I all the money? He buy a.
What was the condition of that?
Which was in very bad condition. Was and yours were properly.
Okay. Fully damaged. Okay, not wet with the water, damaged. इतनी देर से गीला थोड़ा ना रहेगा. It was bad, according to answers that I got here. Bad condition, the roll top was broken, burned, marks were there. Yashika is saying the roll top desk was burned badly. It was black in color. damaged and was having some watermarks. Okay.
When the completed, won't it start work on diary?
He started working on it. Otherwise, it is properly written that the roll top in several pieces and then the leg was clumsily mended. Then scratch marks all down one side, and that is why he bought that, because he got that desk for was it expensive or not? Yes. Next is, what was the date when Koni received the letter? Received the letter. What was the date? Then she received the letter, not written. उससे भी बड़ा पुराने हैं ये. You asking me? Yes, correct, Avni, correct, Mehak. 25th January 1915. 25 15. This was the time when she received the letter. And when was it written? When was the letter written? That was 26th December. It's 26th December 1916. This was the date written on that letter. Okay, so when it was written. After they celebrated, what are you? What? Yes, Avni. Okay, now what was written in that letter? What was written in the letter? Suppose this question comes for 4 marks. Only Pulkit, Bani. Chalo.
When the letter, very unusual thing was written, unusual incidents happened. The London, some British army.
No, not British Army. Is it British Army?
When British celebrate Christmas together, the message of the British military.
What were they doing?
When they were playing football.
They were playing football, sharing food. What was the occasion? It was Christmas, and on that occasion, instead of the normal war, they started celebrating it. Okay, and who initiated the celebration? Jim initiated the celebration. He started the celebrations. I don't know. You give the answer, na? German soldiers, right? They initiated that celebration, right? What were German soldiers called? Yes. Fritz. This was the name given for German soldiers and for British. This is for British soldiers. Okay, what do you think that war is the only solution to solve any conflict? 6 marks question. You will get 0.5. If such type of questions come, what you need to do is just write the general normal statements. Okay, not particular related to chapter, just write general normal statements. Okay, statements in the sense your opinion that I think this is not the this, and then correlate it to the chapter. For this question, I think you can easily correlate if you know about that Afghanistan and Taliban, all that war and all. You know about that? So you can correlate it to the present situation and then with your chapter also. And for 6 marks, I think this such type of questions can also come in your writing part, B part. Okay. So when the questions come in B part, जो writing part है उसमें आए, तो proper chapter की तरफ नहीं चले जाना, ठीक है? Just check. अगर वो literature part में आ रहा है, then you have to totally connect it to the chapter. And if it is in the B part, then general statements, normal statements. Example की तरह, you can use the chapters that once I have read this in this chapter. Okay. So now what is the answer? Who said this, Rohit? And how do you know? What is the answer? What? Okay, yes, Bani. See, the question is, do you think that the war is the only solution for any conflict? First, you have to write what do you think? To solve any conflict. See, whenever these types of questions are there, first give that whatever your opinion is, yes or no, then support your opinion by giving reasons. Then give solutions or other steps. ठीक है? आप क्या कर रहे हो? पहले you are saying, giving your opinion, then you are directly coming up to the solutions that these steps can be taken. उसके पहले क्या करना है? Give reasons. Support करो अपने आंसर को, convince करो टीचर को कि yes, these are the reasons. Yes, Shreya. Okay. Anyone, those who are online, and Rohit, who said you this? Those who are online, if you want to give the answer, just raise your hands, I'll unmute you. Be quick. No one? Anvay, I'm going to unmute you. Give the answer. Anvay, he's not here. Chalo, Avni. Unmute and give Anvay. Okay, he's here. Chalo. Next time, Anvay. Wait. Avni, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. You have to give the answer that do you think war is the only solution to solve any conflict?
No, games can instead of war, games can be played to solve a conflict because in war many people die, children become orphan, and many women become widow. So games can be played in which no one dies, and it is full of enjoyment also.
Okay.
Like in the chapter, they celebrated Christmas with each other instead of fighting. So games can be good alternatives to war.
Okay. Okay. Huh? Non-violence. Okay, then next is which is the favorite book of or name of the favorite book of German, that Hans Wolf. Karan, wait. We'll come to that also. Yes, name of the book, favorite book. Name of the favorite book. Far from the madding crowd. Far from the madding crowd. Such type of questions can come. You have to read the chapter now. Start focusing on reading. Read the chapter thoroughly so that you can know the details and then you can solve or give the answers. Okay. For MCQs, such types of questions can come. Okay, then. Yes. Same simple question. Do you think Jim McPherson came back from the war? No?
The letter written by Jim Morrison was the last letter.
Yes, Angel. If this comes for MCQs, then definitely for one. Only 1 mark. Yes, the question is, do you think Jim McPherson came back from the war? Okay, because the letter was last letter. Sure? Huh? How do you know that the letter was the last letter? Yes, this is the exact reason, because the wife, Connie, she is still waiting for Jim. Okay, and what happened at the end?
The person who had written the letter, her wife think that
His wife.
his wife think, and the poet who goes to
Narrator.
the narrator as her husband, the narrator didn't clear the query of the book.
Didn't?
Clear the
Yes, she mistook. What she did, she mistook the narrator as for her husband. And what was the reason that the narrator, he didn't say anything?
because we see happiness on the lady.
Huh?
Because of the happiness, the lady.
Because of the happiness.
The lady was very happy.
Why? Why he didn't want the lady to know his identity?
I mean, it was already 99 or
100, huh?
So,
He was trying to reveal his identity or show his identity, but he wasn't able to. The reason was, first thing, because of the emotions or the feelings or the happiness that he saw. And then, yes, and as she was also eagerly, she was waiting for her husband. Yes, he tried to tell his identity, but she did not listen. Okay, she wasn't listening. He was trying to tell that. Okay, was it the good thing? Was that good that, okay, she wasn't listening, but don't you think he should force that he should reveal his identity? He would have revealed his identity. What do you think? Means at some point he stopped. Sure, he shouldn't. Why? Then what? Yes, definitely. If he would have forced his identity, so this would have given her a shock, right? And what happened? Well, I don't think something. It's really bad because that gave her happiness. She thought that her husband is back, so I think it is okay. But if you think the answer is no, then you have to explain, give proper reasons to support your answer. किसका?
War is not solution.
No, in my opinion, war is not only solution to solve any problem. We can have talk and clear all misunderstandings. Talking face to face
Have more impact.
have more impact than war. Okay, the great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi always used non-violence. Words speak more than actions. Hands, knee, actions, actions. This, he has related, na? This similar thing happened on 25th December. Okay, yes, German soldiers and British soldiers did, and yes, unusual thing. They played games and all. And from it was clear that the soldiers are not interested in that war. They are forced for that thing. Otherwise, they are not interested. Yes, so this was the answer given by Avni. No, because by doing that, he might have hurt the feelings of Tony. Correct. In army, we can't write that we should talk. Definitely, Punya. That is the job. And we have to serve, we have to fulfill. Why did the author go to Bridport? To celebrate Christmas with why did the author, the narrator, go to Bridport? Is the author family? Correct, Avni, your answer is correct. All those who are sitting here, na, to celebrate Christmas, they are saying to celebrate Christmas with Connie. To give the letter back to Connie. So I am getting proper and clear idea. जो marks तुम्हारे आज आने वाले हैं. हाँ. ये मेरी थोड़ी ना गलती है. अच्छा, what is the meaning of boarded up? Boarded up. Meaning of boarded up. To repair, covered with wooden boards. Answer given by Avni. Avni, they are saying that you might have opened the book. Okay, now next. Who was Sanjeev? Who was Sanjeev? He jumped into the river. Whose life? Woman's life. To save the lady. Okay, Sanjeev was a policeman. No, Avni, I trust you, don't worry. Okay, next is explain the struggle or the situation of Meghna. Write the story of Meghna in your own words. 4 marks. Story of Meghna in your own words. That is what I am asking now. Gurkaran, this time you. Make. Gurkaran? Yes, anyone? Anvay. This time Anvay. I hope he's here. Anvi, unmute and tell. Hope you don't have your book right now. Story of Meghna in your own words.
Ma'am, Meghna was a survivor of the tsunami. Her parents were drawn away by the flood, but she was saved by clinging onto a log of wood.
That's all. She
Yes,
was
ma'am.
holding
A log of wood.
a log of wood. Okay, any other thing? This is for 4 marks. What about her age?
Ma'am, 10 years.
13 years. She was 13. Okay. And
13.
then
Okay.
definitely she lost her parents, and then she kept holding that wooden door, and then 11 times, right? Yes, 11 times she saw relief helicopters, but the helicopters or those pilots or those who were the rescuers, they were not able to see her. So yes, she was saved. Okay, then is meaning of resort. Sorry, meaning of resort. What? A place, no, don't say a hotel. Another word for that, right? A place where people go on holiday. Okay? Okay. Acha, Pulkit, why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Is her birthday? Why? Summer holidays? Sure? Christmas? Gurkaran? No idea at all, Hana? Yes, to celebrate Christmas. Okay? And what were the signs? What were the signs Tilly saw? That's all, only one sign? Sound of the waves? Unusual behavior of the sea. Now you have to explain that behavior, na? Whirlpools, okay, then bubbles, the wave, yes? Okay. Okay, where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Resort? Yes. Avni, that is correct. Both answers are correct. Whirlpool, bubbles, and rising of that sea. And they went to their resort, 3rd floor, right? Top 3rd floor. Okay. Okay, then. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Few animals were died. Few animals died. Okay. And then? That is a good answer. है ना? How many की जगह पूछा तो few and many. 60 people and 2 buffaloes. Yes, Karan, but you are giving answers very slow. We have already discussed this part. Okay, now